WhatsApp has started rolling out in the username feature. This feature lets you create a unique username so people can find and contact without knowing your phone number. If the feature is available on your account, open WhatsApp, click menu icon, then click Settings. Click Accounts, click Username, then click Create Username. Enter the username you want. If it is available, you will see a green check mark. Then click Save it to receive your username. One of the biggest benefits is privacy. In the future, you may be able to chat with new people using username instead of sharing your phone number. This is especially useful for group chat, online communication, or business conversion, where you do not want everyone to see your personal number. However, there are also some concerns. Scammers may try to contact people using username instead of phone numbers. Because of this, you should be careful when receiving messages from unknown user. Never click on suspicious link which share personal information with strangers. If the feature is available, it's a good idea to reserve your prepared username before someone else take it. Choose a simple and unique username. Review your privacy settings and stay alert for scammers. Hope you understand. I have a request. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.